Hey there YouTube, welcome back to the channel. My name's Patrick. Today we're taking a look at this. It's a pretty simple 10-port USB hub with dual charging ports. And I was in need of a new USB hub. I picked up a couple of them, and this is the one that I found to be the best. So I bought an extra one because it was a good deal. And this is what we're going to look at today. This is by a company called Plugable. If you look them up online, especially Amazon, where I get all my products, they have the highest ranked USB hub on Amazon by a lot. The next best hub over here, this hub that we're looking at today has 3,000 reviews. Most of, I think like 80% are 5-star. The next most popular has like 200 reviews. So this is definitely the most purchased online. We'll talk about why. So nothing too spectacular on the box. Talks about the package contents. Same stuff on the side there. Same stuff on the back. Package contents. Same picture. On the back it says, thanks for purchasing. Driver installation is automatic and no software is needed. Just connect it to your computer and it's ready to use. The two flip-up ports support USB BC 1.2 charging standard. Charging rate and behavior is device dependent. Obviously, for example, many manufacturers' tablets have different charging behaviors than their phones. Obviously, we all know that certain devices charge differently. So charging rates and all that kind of stuff will function a little bit differently. So it says features down here, easy to use and connect with an attractive, solid, and compact design. Via chipset for maximum compatibility and performance. Supports Windows, Mac, Linux, and all of the USB hosts. Fully plug and play. Devices can be hot swapped. USB overcurrent protection. USB 3.0 input, which is Type B, and the output is Type A. Supports USB 3.0 transfer rates up to 5 gigabits, but actual speeds vary, as we know. Backwards compatible with all USB 2.0 and 1.0 and 1.0, 1.1 and 2.2 devices. I get that question a lot. It's a USB 3.0 hub. Oh, does it work with my USB 2.0 or USB 1.1 or USB this? It'll work with everything. If you can plug it into here, it'll work. Just getting that out of the way now before, because people always comment on that video. If you can plug it into this, it will work. It's always backwards compatible. Comes with a premium 12-volt, 4 amp, 48-watt desktop-style power adapter, which takes up only 1 hour. Okay, open it up. Boom. Piece of paper, quick start guide. Plug it in. Here's the hub itself. We've got 6 on the front here. Nothing on the top, just some plastic. I'm not going to take all of it off, but you get the idea. It's got this real nice like piano gloss finish, ultra reflective. And it's got their logo. I used to have this one, but it was USB 2.0. I must have had it for 8 years. That was awesome, but it just, it was 8 years old. It crapped out on me. I tried 3 or 4 new ones. Ones that are much nicer, ones that have, built-in card readers and stuff over here. And I'm extremely picky with my stuff, and I actually went back to the exact same one I used to have. This is just the newer model. So you do have, obviously, the logo. There's a light right here. You can kind of see it's got a little light bulb icon, so that's just lights up if it's powered. It's got 6 on the front. They're all USB 3.0, which is generally indicated by a blue color. Or they'll have the USB symbol on here, the lightning bolt, say that. Or sometimes it says SS next to the USB port, stands for SuperSpeed. Bottom it has a couple rubber feet, so that's nice because I can slide all over the place. And on the back, this is obviously the cable that comes with it to connect it to your computer. Power in, and then you've got the 2 flip-up ports here, which flip 90 degrees all the way up, which are kind of nice. And then you've got these 2 in the back. So I have it, my computer's back here. I have it this way on my desk. So some things come around to the front and I can plug in. I normally flip these two up in case I need, like, plug a flash drive in, something quick like that. And the ones on the back here, I generally leave something plugged in there because I'll never need to remove it. Like, it's always plugged in there, whether that's, a keyboard or a mouse or, what do I have? Oh, I have my DAC plugged in over there. Something that I never, ever need to unplug. Kind of goes back here. And the flip up is actually really, really awesome. And then you can always flip those down, obviously, to have a nice concealed look. So it's just a USB hub. It's not too terribly fancy. But with my experience, this is the best one out there, and it's also the simplest one out here. Here is the cable that you'll get. This is USB 3.0 Type B, so kind of like a printer cable. It sort of resembles a printer cable minus this little top section. This is the new USB 3.0 B cable, which is kind of something similar to your printer, and that's what you'll connect to your computer. This cable is not very long. It's 3 feet. So if your computer's far away, make sure you order an extension cord with one of these. Power cord, pretty simple, 3-prong, grounded, IEC on the other end. So everybody's got some of these at home. And then you've got their power brick by DVE, ultra common. Not sure why they have that little design on there, and that's it. So it's pretty darn simple, guys. The reason I chose this one over the rest, and the price is a little bit up there. It's $50. Now there are some that cost more. I used to have a $70 one that had fancy. Hey, I want to see you, little co-host. It had card readers and all this cool stuff built in on the side. And it was awesome, but they didn't work. They didn't have the correct input voltage, and I would fill all 10 ports. I have a lot of stuff that I plug in. Especially if I got my racing simulator going or something like that. It definitely takes up all these ports. And then the big problem that I had was, hang on, I gotta move the cat. Come on, get out of here. Before she stops the video or something. The biggest problem that I had with these is it didn't have enough power going to this USB hub to support 10 devices. So I would have, keyboard, mouse, other mouse that I was testing, webcam, microphone, DAC, stuff for my racing simulator, stuff for a flight simulator. I have stuff all over the place, and it would fail and disconnect, or I'd be playing a game or something like that. Also, my mouse would click out, and I would have to reach back here and unplug the thing or plug it back in, and I had a lot of issues with that. This one, really great reviews. Especially if you're a person that wants to use all 10 USB ports, which I do. So, good review on me. Plugable is definitely the way to go. If you guys know of any that are better, or have some good experience with other ones, please let me know, because I'm always in the business for some new ones. And stick around. If you didn't see my other USB hub videos, go check out the channel. I have 4 of them that I reviewed now. I think 3 or 4. So I will obviously follow up like I normally do with my product reviews. So in, I'll say 3 months, I'll come back and let you know if I had any issues with this product. I don't expect any issues. It's very, very well rated. There's very, very little complaints. And then if you're interested, stick around. There's another video coming out today about this. This is called the Thor key. If you like organized keys, I'll link this in the product description. Thanks for hanging around, guys. We will see you in the next one.